Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our new lesson for the subject of accounting. In the very important chapter, this name is financial statement of sole trader. This is the lesson number 2 for this chapter. Financial statement is a compulsory chapter for each level. 2 months compulsory from this chapter in final exam or board exam. Dear learners, this is Mahmoud Hussain, Senior Lecturer, Department of Accounting, English Medium Morning Shift, Rajagopura Model College, Dhaka. Dear learners, in last class or last lecture, I have discussed about the financial statement of sole trader regarding the concept and definition, parts of financial statement, and drawing a format for preparing an income statement, owner security statement, financial position statement. Dear learners, today I will solve a creative question for this chapter, that is financial statement. Okay, it is time to take your accounting practice copy for writing new creative question for the chapter of financial statement. At first, you have to write the creative question, that is STEM. In financial statement, that is 2 parts are available, and totally 2 kinds of information are available. The first one, trial balance is given and adjustment are given. From the 2 information, that is trial balance and adjustment, you have to complete the 3 requirements in this chapter. Dear learners, at first you have to write the question, the creative question for this chapter. We are watching a new creative question for the chapter of financial statement. The following trial balance and adjustment are available in business of AB Traders as at 30 June 2020. Totally 5 columns used in trial balance format: serial number, account title, ledger value, debit taka, credit taka. Many items are available in this trial balance. At this moment, I will discuss about in the balances of each and every ledger. Each item where to be gone, or in which statement to be shown. What kind of item? First one is opening stock. Opening stock is taka for 40,000 in debit. Opening stock is one kind of revenue expenditure. It is the first item of cost of goods sold. So opening stock is written in cost of goods sold statement. Second one, purchase and sales. Purchase is the major expense of any business organization. Purchase one kind of expense, so it is written in cost of goods sold in the second way. At first, in cost of goods sold statement, you have to write opening stock and then purchase. Another item is sales. Sales is the main source of income of any business organization. So it is the part of income statement. The first item of income statement is sales. So it is written in income statement. That is involved. It is one kind of expenses, that is direct expenses. It is written in cost of goods sold under direct expenses head. Return, debit and credit. Return when debited, that is indicated as sales return, that is contra income. It is to be deducted from the total sales of amount. Return is credit, that is purchase return or return outward. It is contra expenses. So purchase return is to be deducted from the purchase amount. Wages is one kind of expenses, that is direct expenses. It is written in cost of goods sold. Business discount. Business discount, two types. In debit side, when business discount is available, then it is sales discount. Sales discount, one kind of contra revenue. Then it is deducted from the sales amount. And credit side, business discount is taka 1500. That is indicated as purchase discount. It will be deducted from the purchase amount. Capital, the main item of equity, that is owner's equity statement, or first item of owner's equity statement is capital. It is indicated as capital, that is opening capital. 20% investment, it is one kind of asset, that is long-term investment. Totally 4 heads are available in asset side. Long-term investment is one of them. So it is written in asset side of statement of financial position. But 20% interest to be charged on investment. That is at 1,000 into 20%. 16,200 is to be written in income statement under other income or non-operating income, and it is also to be shown in current assets, in asset side and statement of financial position. Cash in hand, one of the best current asset in any organization. It is indicated as current assets, so it is to be shown in current assets under the financial position statement. Office equipment, it is one kind of fixed asset. It is written in asset side under the statement of financial position. Discount paid, that is discount allowed. It is one kind of expenses, but it is not direct expenses. It is an indirect operating expenses. It is to be shown under operating expenses in statement of comprehensive income. 10% loan. Loan is one kind of long-term liability. It is to be shown in long-term liability under the statement of financial position, equity and liability side. But 10% interest to be charged on loan, that is the amount 57,000 into 10% is equal to taka 5,700 is to be shown in other expenses in income statement, and also to be shown in current liabilities of statement of financial position. Salary, one kind of operating expenses. It is to be shown in income statement under operating expenses. Life insurance premium, it is indicated as drawings. This amount is to be deducted from the total capital in owner's equity statement. Reserve fund, it is to be added with the capital amount, that is opening capital in owner's equity statement. Income tax, it is indicated as drawings. It will be deducted from the total capital under owner's equity statement. The last one is drawings. Drawings is deducted from the capital amount under statement of owner's equity. This is the trial balance, and I have already discussed about each item of this trial balance. Dear learners, now you can see the adjustment of this math. Adjustment closing stock is Beirut Taka 65,000 but 10% less of its market price. So net amount of closing stock is taken for Taka 65,000 minus 6,500 is equal to Taka 58,500. It is to be shown in current assets and also to be deducted from the total cost of goods sold amount. Depreciation on fixed asset, it is indicated as operating expenses to be shown in income statement under operating expenses and also to be deducted from fixed asset under asset side in statement of financial position. The third one is for adjustment goods distributed to customer Taka 3,000 at free of cost but not recorded in books. It will be deducted from the purchase amount in cost of goods sold and also to be recorded as advertisement in operating expenses. Salary due for the month of May and June, 2 months unpaid for salary. So it is to be added with the salary amount under operating expenses, that is Taka 5,000 and 5,000 to be shown in current liability for salary payable in statement of financial position. Interest on capital is to be charged Taka 10,500. This is to be shown in other expenses of income statement and also to be added with capital in owner security statement. Unrecorded cash drawings. Cash drawings is to be deducted from the total amount of capital in equity statement and also to be deducted from the cash amount in asset side under the statement of financial position. The last adjustment is additional cash brought in business. This amount is to be added with cash in hand in asset side, that is current asset side, and also to be added in equity statement with the capital amount. From this trial balance and adjustment, you have to complete the 3 requirements. And already fully discussed in trial balance item and adjustment item. From this system, you have to complete 3 requirements. Number 1, determine the amount of cost of goods sold. Requirement B, determine the amount of net profit or loss assuming gross profit of Taka 80,000. Requirement C, prepare a statement of equity assuming net profit of Taka 88,000. Dear learners, at first you have to draw a 3 format for completing the 3 requirements. Requirement A, statement of cost of goods sold. The same format are available for preparing a statement of financial condition. The first one is cost of goods sold. Statement of cost of goods sold of AB Traders for the year ended 30 June 2020. Column is particulars, amount detail, amount Taka total. You know, totally 4 heads are available in cost of goods sold. The first one is opening stock from trial balance Taka 40,000. Add net purchase, it's included totally 4 items. That is the item of purchase 1,50,000 from trial balance, less return, that is purchase return Taka 2,000 from trial balance, less trade discount, that is business discount Taka 1,500 from trial balance, less goods distribution Taka 3,000 from adjustment is taken. At this moment, net purchase amount Taka 1,43,500 in middle column. At direct expenses, 2 items of direct expenses are available in trial balance. Carries in 2,500 is written in middle column as there is no adjustment. Wages Taka 3,000 from trial balance is written in middle column. All adding item to be total, that 1,89,000 less closing stock. Net amount of closing stock 65,000 minus 6,500 is equal to Taka 58,500. And then go for Net amount of cost of goods sold is to be total 1,30,500. Dear boys and girls, I think you've written in your copy requirement A. Now we can go for requirement B. Statement of comprehensive income of AB traders for the year ended 30 June 2020. It is the first year statement because gross profit is given in the question. So gross profit is the first item in this income statement. Gross profit given taka 80,000 to be written in outer column. Less operating expenses. Totally 4 items of operating expenses are available in this system. First on salary, 25,000 at due from adjustment taka 5,000. Total amount of salary is written middle column taka 30,000. Discount paid from trial balance is written in trial balance taka 4,000. Depreciation on fixed asset from adjustment 14,975. Advertisement, that is goods distribution to customer at free of cost. The new expenses amount for operating taka 3,000 is written in middle column. At this moment, total of operating expenses taka 51,975. So now operating profit 80,000 minus 51,975. That is the amount of operating profit taka 28,025. Add other incomes. In this system, interest on investment is one kind of other income, that is non-operating income, 16,200, that is 81,000 into 20%. So 16,200 to be added with the amount of 28,025. So at this moment total 44,225. Less other expenses. Interest on loan. Interest on loan is to be charged on loan amount 57,000 into 10%, that is the amount of 5,700 is interest on loan, is non-operating expenses or other expenses. Interest on capital from adjustment, you can get it 10,500. Total amount of other expenses taka 16,200. So now net profit is taka 28,025. Dear students, this is the statement of comprehensive income, that is partial. I think you have completed this statement and you have understood. Now we can go for last slide. The requirement C, statement of equity, that is owner's equity of AB traders for the year ended 30 June 2020. From the format, this is the first item of owner's equity is capital. It is taken from trial balance taka 3 lakh in middle column. Add totally 4 items to be added in this system in this creative question. First one, additional capital from adjustment taka 50,000. Interest and capital from adjustment taka 10,500. Reserve fund from trial balance taka 30,000. Net profit taka 88,000 from requirement C. It is given total amount of capital at this moment taka 4,78,500. Less or deducting total item in number 4 in this system, in this creative question. Drawings taka 6,500 from trial balance. Unrecorded cash drawings from adjustment taka 5,000. Income tax from trial balance 5,000 is written. Life insurance premium taka 5,000 from trial balance is written. At this moment total less items 21,500. So we can find out the owner's equity is very easily. 4,78,500 minus 21,500 is equal to taka 4,57,000 for owner's equity of AB traders. Dear learners, I think you have copied all solution of this creative question very carefully, and listen attentively. I repeat again, this is the very important chapter for you, because from this chapter 2 maths is compulsory for final exam or board exam. So you have to learn it, you have to understand it, you have to practice much and more. Thanks for being today. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.